Hey guys, today I'll be showing you an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to reverse park. Step 1. Keep at least a 1 meter gap from the parking bay. Step 2. Align your left rear view mirror with the end of the parking line. Step 3. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Step 4. Move forward slowly until you see the end of the parking line in your rear view mirror. Step 5. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. Step 6. Reverse slowly until you are parallel to the parking lines. Step 7. Center your steering wheel. Step 8. Reverse slowly until you are close to the curb behind you.
Congratulations! Now you know how to reverse park. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.